Good morning, children. Welcome to Rajinson Primary School online classes. Class 8th, chapter 3rd. Myself, Arvind Tomar. I am your computer teacher. So, let's start with me.
Today's topic, animating text and object. So let's start. Add and preview animations. Add and preview animations. PowerPoint offers animation support which can be used effectively. Add some motion in a monotonous presentation and make it a more interesting. Animation can be applied to any object on the slide, and the motion can the automated, timed or triggered. Okay, next, the four types of animation. Types of animation is called four types. Okay, there are several animation effect you can choose from, and they are organized into four types. First, entrance. These control how the object enters the slide. For example, with the bounce animation, the object will fall onto the slide and then bounce several times. Okay, appear, fade, fly in, float in, split और वाइप. ओके, एंट्रेंस एनिमेशन में ये सारी चीज़ें आती हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज emphasis. Emphasis, these animations occur while the object is on the slide, often triggered by a mouse click. Okay, for example, you can set an object to spin when you click the mouse. So pulse, color pulse, teeter, spin, grow, sync, distort. Okay, next, exit animation. These control how the object exits the slide. For example, with the fade animation, the object will simply fade away, disappear, fade, fly out, float out, split and wipe. Okay, next is motion path. These are similar to emphasis effects, except the object motion within the slide along a predetermined path like a circle. Okay, motion paths, lines, arc, turns, shapes, loops and custom path. Okay, next, fact file. In PowerPoint, you can animate text and objects such as clip art, shapes and pictures. Okay, next, to apply an animation to an object. एक ऑब्जेक्ट में कैसे एनिमेशन को अप्लाई करना है, वो क्या तरीका है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट सेलेक्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट you want to animate. Select the object you want to animate. Next, on the animation tab, click the more drop down arrow in the animation group. Okay, drop down arrow in the animation group, this is called drop down. So select the animation. Third, a drop down menu of animation effect will appear. Select the desired effect. Select. Okay, next, the effect will apply to the object. The object will have a small number next to it so that is has an animation in the slide pane. A star symbol also will appear next to the slide. Okay, star symbol, this is star symbol next to the slide. Fact file. Animation on the slide can be used to draw the audience attention the specific content or to make the slide easier to read. Effect options. Some effect will have options you can change. For example, with the fly in effect, you can control which direction the object comes from. These options can be accessed from the effect options command in the animation group. Okay, these effects, animation effects, select the animation group. Okay, working with the animation. To add multiple animation to an object, to add multiple animations to an object, if you select a new animation from the menu in the animation group, it will replace the object current animation. However, you will sometimes want to place more than one animation on an object, like an entrance and an exit effect. To do this, you will need to use the add animation command, which will allow you to keep your current animation while adding a new ones. Okay, first of all, select an object. Second, click the animation tab. Third, in the advanced animation group, click the add animation command to view the available animations. Okay, next is select the desired animation effect. So select the desired animation effect. Next, if the object has more than one effect, it will have a different number for each effect. The number indicate the order in which the effect will occur. To reorder the animation, select the number of the effect you want to change. Select the number of effect you want to change. Second, from the animation tab, click the move earlier or move later command to change the ordering. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt or query, you have my mobile number. Please call me. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.